Good day to everybody. I am Trillian Vergara from IT 222 from Batangas State University Malabar Campus. Um, I am here now to show you the how to create a connection between bb.net to MS Access. And now here we go. Let's start. First, I created a table from MS Access because this is the basis of our data source. And there is a student ID, last name, first name, and section and courses of the students. And then let's move on to the Visual Basic. Let's open this. And as you can see, I there's already a design. I created this one. This one is the data grid view, and then this one is for button for connect button. I use this create a grid view for the appearance of the table, which will be coming from the MS Access, and this connect button for the command of the appearances of the tables as connect. Then we proceed to the codings. And now we will proceed to the codings now. Double click the connect button to show up the codes. Now, here we are in the codings. First, we will import the import data olive db for us to connect in the MS Access. And now, in the form, we must the dim con as OliveDB connection, dim strcon as a string, the provider, and then kung saan natin kukunin yung ating data source, which is the location of our data source is in the C, document settings, Vergara 026, my documents, trillion.accdb. Then, in the button, this is the codings. The con is equals to the new OliveDB connections para makuha natin yung excuse me, the string from the access. And then dim ds as a new dataset. Dim ds as a new dataset. And dim data dt as a new data table. ds that tables that add double parenthesis, open and close parenthesis, dt. Then da as a new OliveDB data adapter, select, then select natin kukunin kasi natin yung data, yung information from the MS Access na ginawa natin table do, which is the name of our table is table student list, then data grid view para dun ma-view yung ating information, then connection close. So this is the proper connection of bb.net to MS Access. Oh, here we go. Let's run this program connection. Oh, it's take a few. This is the form. Then we will click the connect button for us to show us the information of from the table in the MS Access. Now, here we go again. This is napalabas po natin yung mga information galing po dun sa table sa MS Access. Then the student ID, last name, first name, and the section and courses of the students. Whereas there's Trading Vergara, BS IT 222, Vargas Ellen Grace, also BS IT 222, Pizarra Mibel, Evangelista Karen, Jaramilius Len, Carl Rivero Dexter, Res Makim, Apostol Iron, Dr. Louie, what I mean is Dr. Rainiel and Salisi Louie. Now, nakita po natin yung paano po mag-connect ang bb.net to MS Access at napalabas po natin yung information na galing sa table sa MS Access sa data grid view, which is in the bb.net. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Sana po naintindihan nyo. Thank you po so much. Thanks po. We will close the program. Thank you again. And I am Trilin Vergara from BSI 222 from Batangas State University, Malabar Campus. Thank you. Ay, tapos na.